Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Hey traders, John Howell here. And what a time in the markets right now we are experiencing right now. Just a crazy time, guys, in the market, and I'm going to share with you exactly what I'm seeing right now in the markets. Today it's pretty much a flat day today, guys. Pretty much a flat day across the markets. Not really much going on there. Before I start, guys, make sure you grab your $7 trading calls. People have asked me, like, I had one comment on the chat box saying, John, as people saying, has anyone got what are people's thoughts about the $7 trading calls? Are you serious? You get all this education for $7 just to help you guys out, right? Like, seriously, guys, like, if you guys are not gonna, just go to johnsflashsale.com and grab the $7 trading course. And hey, even if you don't believe it's worth $7, just let me know. I'll refund you $7. Just get the help you need, guys, all right? Especially this video number 1, the top daily mistakes. You guys are probably making a lot of mistakes right now that's stopping you from moving forward. So let's have a look here, guys. Pretty much nothing across the board with these markets here, guys. We're seeing here on the Dow Jones has still got this gap here. Let me actually go to this chart here, right? So Nasdaq is just continuing to rally up just a lot, guys. Oh man, guys, sorry, this is Apple here, sorry, or Apple is Nasdaq, right? Apple and Nasdaq. Look at Nasdaq here, continue to eke up even just higher, guys. This is not a V bubble. This is not a V bottom. This is a V bubble. Wrong time to be entering the Nasdaq right now, guys, especially Apple, right? Apple right now, this is the wrong time to be entering the markets like this here, guys, because who knows how long this is going to go, guys, but this is getting now into a V bubble right now with Apple, a massive explosion up, and it does not look good, and it's, guys, again, we're getting right now closer to the end of this move with Apple. And again, I would not want to be going long Apple right now. I would not want to be going long this Nasdaq right now. Look at this big move up, right? So especially Nasdaq, guys, this is not looking good at all, right? Yes, we're in a big vertical move, but this is a V bubble, right? V bubble. So that's what we're looking at through there, guys. SP500 is continuing to give us this little gap here, guys, that we got here. Let me zoom right in a bit more. All right, this little gap from there to there. We still haven't actually filled that gap. Someone said, John, we filled the gap. You don't know. Bah, bah, bah. Really? Really? As far as I can see, we haven't actually filled that gap yet. And the Dow Jones too, right? The DJ has not filled that gap as well too. So the purpose of me saying that is this island reversal. If you guys don't know what an island reversal is, it's more like an end of trend type of indicator where the market runs up, exhaustion moves, goes sideways, and then breaks back down and then has a bit of a drop down like that through there. Right? So it's more of it's a reversal pattern through there. So due to the fact we haven't actually filled this gap here yet, still shows this island reversal is still in play, and we still could be forming a bit of a top here. So watch this space. But when it comes to the Nasdaq and stuff like that, there, guys, especially the Nasdaq, like right? I believe what we're doing right now on the Nasdaq is very similar to what we did back here. Notice how we actually broke the high and we slowly ran up and then it collapsed. So we're probably likely to eke up a new high again, guys. Right? Get ready for that. Get ready. Also, guys, what's going to happen towards the end of this year, guys? It's going to get a lot worse, right? Like the unemployment number. The unemployment number right now is not actually the real unemployment number. The unemployment number right now, when we're looking at the markets, is, guess what? It's only factoring people that are actually looking to work, and 2, some of those people that are not even looking to work, they're not looking because they're getting so much money from the big GOV right now, right? The big brother. Big brother's helping them out, and not only that, coming along the lines of, look at this here, 30% of all Americans did not make their housing payments. Everything is fine, John. You don't understand. Everything is fine, right? Look at this here. Big, let's have a look at this. Can I bring up this screenshot? Is it going to work on me? Shazam, right? Look at this here. Look at this here. What do we have here? Missed payments peaked in May and remained high in June. April, no payment. May, no payment. And then obviously 19, no payment. Partial payment 12 month, right? So 30%. 30%. Right? What else do we have here in this article? Right? Scrolling down. Right? Let me scroll through here. Right? Let's go through to this screenshot right here. What does this screenshot say? Right? Many could not afford their full housing cost in June. The percentage who made no payment or a partial payment. Right? So renters, homeowners, household income, right? And you can see how it's actually just dropping through there. And then you can see the ages as well too, right? So sort of like the ages 18 to 29 seems like they're the ones with no payments. 45 to 60, nothing there, right? And you can see here what's happening here: full-time, part-time, and there's another thing here, wasn't there? This is the one that I think I was looking at here. Renters are more concerned than homeowners about losing their house. How concerned are you about eviction/foreclosure in the next 6 months? Renters, 38%, not at all concerned. Not so concerned, 25%. Extremely concerned, 7%. Very concerned, 11%. Somewhat concerned, 19%. People that actually own a house, 6%, 8%, 12%. And like not so concerned this here, right? So we're still getting so it seems like a lot of people that are renting right now are very concerned about that there. But on top of all that, guys, we know, right? We know once the whole forbearance thing starts to end and they have to start to pay back their money and all that sort of stuff, it is going to be deadly. So this massive blow off we're getting right now, especially in the Nasdaq, right? Especially in stocks like the good old Microsoft. Right, Microsoft right now is making all-time new highs once again. Again, what is this? It's a V bubble. Don't be getting involved with the Microsoft, right? Now, guys, I'm talking about probabilities here, right? There's no certainties. If you're looking to get into a position, you get into it, on a good time, right? That's what's happened with the good old Microsoft. Look at that. There is one stock though, right? Netflix. Right, Netflix, boom, big breakout bar today. I see Netflix actually have, I've actually got a target on Netflix of 520 actually, by the way. Netflix is not in a V bubble, right? Netflix has got 520 in my books. And that's what I see there with Netflix is where it's likely to run to. So guys, this is crazy, right? This is absolutely crazy. Facebook as well too. Guess what? Facebook, just a big V bubble through here. Big move up, slight move down. So any move up from here, guys, yes, we may move up for a very short period of time frame, but it's probably not going to. You've missed the bulk of the move when it comes to those sort of things through there. So let's have a quick look around the sort of the GDX. Little gap up today. So we're probably likely to start to see a little bit more of an upward move. But I wouldn't see really any really big move, not yet, on the GDX. GDXJ, a little gap up as well too. Again, we might actually see a little bit of an up move from here, guys, but probably not much going on through there. Gold is trying to start to slightly break out as well too, and also silver is not really doing much today as well too. So guys, all in all, the big picture, guys, is that it's going to get a lot worse, right? And this is not the right time to be trying to entering, especially the Nasdaq, and especially like the SP500 and the Dow Jones. This is the wrong time to be entering, right? Especially if you buy and hold, guys. Like buy and hold, like seriously, with so many people entering the markets right now, if that alone is telling you to get out or stay out. And I don't know exactly when the exact high is going to be, but when the Nasdaq's getting very, very close to getting to a high point, and I wouldn't be too surprised if the Nasdaq started to eke out a new high through here, slight new high for a little while, and then roll over and start to say, you say goodbye, and the bear market says hello.